looking for a specific filter on Instagram but you cannot find it? In this video I will show you how to search or how to find any filter you want on Instagram in easy way. So to know how to do that, just follow me step by step. The first thing you have to do is to go to Instagram. Then here in this page you will find this sign on above here. So you will click on this sign of plus, as you see. After that you will find here this window of access limits, so you can click here access here to allow access, as you see. After that let's go to story, so you will tap on story, and as you see here you will click on while using the app. This is just access of Instagram, and here as you see you will find these filters to use here, but there are just few filters in this page, so you have to tap on this sign of search to search for more filters on Instagram to use. For example, you can go to trending, you can go to appearance, you can click on aesthetic, games, humor, special effects, so you will find a lot of categories here. You can also click here if you want to search for a specific effects on this window here if you want. So after that here, this is for story, but for reels you can go back again here to find this sign again here, and you will click on reels like this, and after that you will click here on this sign of camera, and then this page of camera you will find here filters in the same way as you see, and you can click on the sign of search as I told you before, or you can just click here on this sign of effects here to not here, the sign of filters here in the sign of 3 stars, and then you can find your filters and effects on this window here as you see. So where you will find it, you will find it in this sign here of 3 stars. You will find these filters for reels. So that's it. This is how you can find or search for more or new filters on Instagram in easy way. So if this video is helpful for you, and if you are enjoying watching this video, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.